Participation is crucial because it reflects how invested someone is. It shows that they are interested, willing to learn, willing to lend a hand, supportive, and committed to playing their part, whether it is leadership or as a member. When people participate, it boosts communication. It helps to build a better communication. It helps in decision-making process, and it boosts the team, and it solves problem and provide better solution. It goes with the saying, teamwork makes the dream work. Oliver Eugene Rez, Mr. So Pilipinas, Berto Princesa, Palawan!
Growth happens when we build accountability. We need honest leaders, fair policies, and systems that stop abuse of power. Through growth, corruption ends. Politics stop being a business. And public servant means serving people. Galing sa Esguerra, Mr. So Pilipinas, Imus Cavite!
Love. As a future nurse, my love isn't just for my patients, but also for my country. I believe that love has many forms, but the greatest is the love for our country. And loving our country means practicing good governance and standing firm against corruption. Because if we fight corruption, we show the truest form of love for our country. So let us say yes to integrity, say yes to good governance, and together, we can build a quality life for every Filipinos.
Jacob Kier Gomez, Misters of Pilipinas, Province of Tarlac.
It's not just only about transparency and progress. It's about preserving the culture that defines who we are as people, as Filipinos. And a true leader that values good governance ensure that our traditions are protected, diversity is celebrated, and every voice in our community are heard. Because when the culture thrives, the identity is strengthened. And when the identity is strong, so does our values in culture and leadership.
Miguel Cayabia, Mr. So Pilipinas, Zambales!
Accountability. The word given to me is very timely. Accountability. Given today's corruption scandals in our country, accountability is no longer optional. It is essential. Our leaders must be reminded that power is not a privilege. It is a responsibility, and accountability should be our cornerstone. Kaya mga kababayan ko, if we want a Philippines that thrives, we must demand transparency and hold those in power accountable. Only then can we build a nation worthy of the future we dream of. Krishna Yasser Rodriguez, Mr. of Pilipinas, Pampanga!
Seguridad ng mabuting pamamahali. Tayo ay magkaisa, boses ng lahat ay mahalaga. Para sa malinis na pamamahala, mga lider na tapat ay siyang makihalala. Sama-sama tayong manindigan, pagmamahal sa bayan ang ating sandigan. Ito po si John Hipolito. Bumangon, mabuting pamamahala, sigaw ng Bulacan. Hipolito, Mr. of Pilipinas, Bulacan Province!
Corruption is putting our nation in great danger. In the 2028 presidential election, we must protect our dignity. I am encouraging everyone to choose leaders who are honest, who uphold integrity, and who truly respect the Filipino people. Because choosing with dignity is choosing a better future. It is choosing a better nation. Santos, Mr. of Pilipinas, Cavite!
Good governance starts with motivation, a genuine drive to lead people with honesty, fairness, and accountability. We deserve a leader who is committed to truth, equality, and moral integrity. With progressive leadership, we can build a better Philippines. So let's all be motivated to stand up on corruption. Mr. of Pilipinas, City of Manila!
Imagine a world where every voice is heard and every concern is addressed swiftly. Responsiveness is the heartbeat of a thriving democracy where leaders not just act as decision makers but as an active listeners. In the Philippines, this principle is vital for bridging the gaps between the government and its citizens. And when the government responds to the needs and aspirations of its people, it cultivates trust and collaboration, paving the way for a more unified and resilient society. Juan Carlos Lopez, Mr. of Pilipinas, Bataan Province!
Transparency. Transparency is a fundamental pillar of good governance. In light of the persistent issue, like the misuse of the public funds without clear accountability, we need leaders who report honestly, act openly, and answer to the people. We, the Filipino people, deserve a clear access to information on how public funds are used. Without transparency, public trust erodes, and corruptions prevail. Naimbag na rabi, Filipinas.
nation. Inclusivity serves as a beacon of transparency and accountability, powerful tools in the fight against corruption. With inclusive governance, every Filipino has a voice, leaving little room for corruption. If we learn to value our differences, set aside our political and personal interests, and let our love for the country prevail, we can build an inclusive government where no Filipino is ever left behind. John Mico Escalino, Mr. Soft Pilipinas, Province of Nueva Ecija!
When we talk about good governance, we often think of laws, systems, and policies. But at the heart, it's something simple: kindness. A leader who listens with compassion, makes decisions with empathy, and treats people with respect, in which in return creates trust and unity. Kindness may seem small, but it inspires cooperation, fairness, and hope. If we lead with kindness, we lead with hope. DJ Carlos Bakunipalad, Mr. Soft Pilipinas, Cagayan Province!
Role modeling is leadership at its most authentic. Living the values we speak of and being consistent on the action is what makes integrity and purpose have meaning. In governance, where decisions shape both policies and the moral tone of society, the decisions of the leaders carries far greater weight than any speech or decree. In the end, role modeling is the true legacy of leadership. The proof that action carries greatness more than any word or power ever could. Carl Tansenko, Mr. Soft Pilipinas, Los Baños, Laguna!
Social is about building company. Social is about community and building connections. And the same is true for the government. Even with its flaws, there is still good in it. When they listen, when they engage, and when they make decisions along with the people. And a government that is social is a government that is honest and responsive. And that matters because when the government and the people are truly connected to each other, trust grows, hope remains, and progress is something we can all share together.
Carlo Mage, Mr. Soft Pilipinas, La Union Province!
Water. Imagine a world where fairness and truth guide every action. A world where good governance ensures that everyone is safe. It involves standing up for the truth, protecting the vulnerable, and giving voice to the unheard. Like a steady flow of water, we must bring balance to society and lay down the foundation for peace and progress. Because when we fight for justice, we help create a better world. One where fairness prevails and everyone has the opportunity to thrive. Thank you.
John Mark Sibayan, Mr. Soft Pilipinas, Palayan City, Nueva Ecija!
Justice systems. The justice systems is meant to protect people. However, in the Philippines, many still feel it only caters to those who have power and money. Justice is never denied nor delayed, because Filipinos deserves fairness and equal treatment. As Misters of Filipinas, I am here to voice out and remind that true progress begins when justice is felt by all, not by some. And I think, like Peña, Misters of Filipinas, Cebu Province!
Recognizing that gender roles should not limit the person's potential. A true leader ensures that every individual, whether man or woman, is given equal opportunity to contribute to society. We create a balance that reflects fairness and inclusivity. It is about giving every voice the space to be heard and every role the dignity to be valued. True progress comes when both man and woman lead side by side, not in competition, but in collaboration. Thank you. Aaron Bautista, Misters of Filipinas, Quezon City!
Corruption harms our society. With ghost projects and infrastructure, many Filipinos continue to suffer. As Misters of Filipinas, we must be brave men who champion good governance, starting with the small things, acts of honesty, accountability, and leadership by example. Once we end this corruption, we can create a better nation to our future generation.
Gio Lyson Layo, Misters of Filipinas, Province of Laguna.
Lahat malapit na ito, lapit na ito. Maayos na ako nung ano, para entry na tayo.
Respect. When leaders respect the trust given to them, there is no room for corruption. We are respectfully paying our taxes. Income tax, withholding tax, value-added tax. But let me be clear, that's value added to the nation, not value added to your pockets. Respect. Respect the trust. Respect us. Because only then can we truly champion good governance and unity. Pilipinas, mabuhay tayong lahat. John White Luna Bardaje, Misters of Filipinas, San Fernando, La Union!
Cecilio Amora Velucho, Misters of Filipinas, Habyao, Nueva Ecija!
Expression is about reciprocity. We express how we are being treated. But as a nation, we express loudly because we no longer feel safe. The roars have been louder because we no longer feel safe. And I, standing here, I have a voice that demands good governance. Because we people, we are the ones that supports. We are the ones that reciprocates.
expression. Thank you.
Dear leaders, we admire your commitment to serve. But with the challenges our country faces today, we hope you resist temptation and lead with empathy. Because when government cares, trust grows, and our country shines. Thank you. James Vasquez, Mr. South Filipinas, City of Binyan!
As a person who works in the government before, I saw and learned that effective government is really essential to the Philippines' sustainable development. For I believe that effective application of good governance ideas from national leaders down to barangay level is really necessary to create a better and sustainable future for all of us Filipinos. And as your Mr. South Filipinas, I am here to inspire, to motivate, and to remind everyone that the time is now. The time is now for us to genuinely take the required action to transform the Philippines into a refuge, a home, and a haven it deserves to be. Magandang gabi, Philippines. Maujita ang gabinete, Mr. South Filipinas, Rizal Province!
Intimacy is like good governance. It works best with trust, respect, and honesty. It grows when both sides listen, communicate, and respect each other's boundaries. Just like leadership. It grows with trust and also transparency. And hanggang salamat. Daniel Cana, Mr. South Filipinas, Davao City! Good governance plays a vital role in achieving the Sustainable Development Goals. One of the strongest advocacies under SDG would be quality education. Quality education and quality, and it drives innovation through transparent leadership and accountable institutions. We can ensure that every child has access to quality learning opportunities. With this priority, we are building a sustainable future where poverty is reduced and a chance to contribute meaningfully to the society. Hilbert Tamayo, Mr. South Filipinas, Asinlong, Zambales!
South Filipinas, Pampanga.
Good evening, everyone. Traffic costs us time, money, and health every day. Every year, the Philippine economy loses trillions due to traffic issues. We deserve a system that moves people, not excuses. It is not okay to see funds disappear while those in power pocket the funds that is meant to improve our lives. We want a better service, real accountability, and a transportation system that works for everyone. So let's push for smart planning, punctual service, and a safer roads. Because it is time for a real change. Thank you so much. Mark Marasigan, Mr. South Filipinas, Lipa City, Batangas!